Hi, this is Maria. I'm going to show you how I made this week's layout using Procreate. You could do something similar in just using stickers and Goodnotes, but I like to do some layering and I find that easier to do in Procreate, so let's get started. This is my 2019 Natural DigiBujo by Gollan Designs. I'll put all of her information down here. There'll be a little arrow in YouTube so that you can see what I've used. And let's just clear the screen. You can use your eraser, clear page there, or you can click the three dots and clear your page here. Doesn't matter, it just gets you back to where you have your blank journal. Okay, I'm going to click my up arrow, export this page, image, export, and simply save that to the camera roll. And now I'm going to open Procreate, add screen size. It gives me a big canvas, and I'm going to wrench tool, add insert photo, and I'm going to pick up that last image. Okay, so there's my journal page inside of Procreate, and I'll use this as a template so I can work inside of the parameters of my journal. So now I'm going to add a layer. I'm going to bring up my photos from the side so I can work side by side. You can also import your photos the way I showed you here with the wrench tool if you choose to. I choose to work side by side. So let me find a weekly layout first. Drag and drop. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to drag my stickers over and then we'll reposition that. Okay, I want one sticker set today. And actually I want one more. A little monogram that she's done. Okay, I like the monograms. Alright, so now we're back in Procreate. I'm going to turn off the sticker layers until I'm ready to use them. I want to be in my weekly grid layer. Make sure that one is on. Click the arrow tool and just size this and move it to where I want it to be. Okay, drop it into place. Now I'm going to go to my sticker sheet, turn that layer on, select rectangle mode, and I'm going to grab a washi, duplicate, that will put it in its own layer. I'm going to turn off my sticker sheet, back to my cutout, and just position it where you want it. Okay, and then back to my layers, slide and duplicate, so I can have a match on the other side. Okay, now I've covered up all my letters, all my days, so I'm going to first merge those two together, just pinch. Okay, they're all on one layer, and now I'm going to drag that below my weekly so that my days shine through. Now they're still not popping through enough for me, so I'm going to take my eraser tool with an airbrush from the basic Procreate library, a soft airbrush. Make sure I'm not too big. And I'm going to, now I am in the flowers layer, I'm just going to erase a little bit of the flowers, just enough so that my days of the week pop through. I could lower the opacity, but that will bring down all of the flowers, and I like the color, so I'm going to just do it this way so I can see my days of the week and not affect the color of the washi too much. Okay, there we go. So now I can see my days. Actually, I can go ahead and clean this up too, so my February is visible, and my other working links here as well. There we go. Now I can see my letters. Alright, back to my sticker sheet. Turn that on to get the next washing. Still in rectangle mode. Duplicate. Turn off the sticker sheet. Arrow tool is going to let me move it. I need to see the bottom part of my journal here. Okay. Slide and duplicate. Okay, and now I have a match. So now I can merge those two, so I can move them together if I choose to. Okay, next I'm going to grab this one. And just position it over here on the side. Okay. Next sticker, we're going to select, let me click the arrow tool so I can see the sticker a little better. Select the next sticker, duplicate, turn off the main sticker layer, back to my cutout, and we're just going to drop it over here. Now I'm just going to eyeball this to see. One thing with Procreate is the toolbar at the bottom kind of gets in the way. So I'm going to position this pretty close to where I think it is the right location, so that when I slide and duplicate, the second one will fit in that space. If it doesn't fit exactly, no worries. I'm going to merge those two and then arrow tool to make it match. Okay, there we go. Back to my sticker sheet. Selector. Grab a little banner, duplicate, turn off my sticker sheet, back to my cutout, make it fit inside the box, slide and duplicate, oops, reset, and just put that all the way across. Slide and duplicate, slide and duplicate. Now I'm gonna, this is the third one, this is the first one, I'm gonna merge 1 and 3 so they move together. Slide and duplicate, so I don't have to do that every single time. Just match them up to the other one. Now I can merge them all together and they'll all turn off together. One more from the sticker sheet. Selector tool, duplicate, turn off my sticker, arrow tool, and just place that. Slide and duplicate, and we're going to do that all the way across, just like we did the banners. Slide and duplicate. One more, and then I'll multiply the first 3. Whoops, reset. Okay, I'm going to group the first three, slide and duplicate the whole three, and finish out the other side. Okay. And now merge them all. There we go. At the top, add a layer. I'm going to go to my brushes. Jenny made me a tag a long time ago, so I'm going to drop that right here. And then I'm going to take that bottom washi eraser tool, and I'm going to just slightly erase so I can see my lettering without removing the washi behind it. I'm going to add another layer at the top with and pick a different brush. Jenny has drawing brushes, lots of drawing brushes. I like custard, and we're just going to write in the days of the week here. Now by doing this here, this will all save as one large sticker, so when I'm in Goodnotes, I won't inadvertently erase my numbers or my tag. Anything you do in Procreate will come over as one giant sticker. Okay, so that is my entire design. I'm going to go back to layers, go to the bottom, turn off my journal layer that I brought in, turn off the background layer, wrench tool, share, PNG, save that image into the camera roll. Now I can go into Goodnotes, click my image icon there, and the last one is what I've been working on. I'm going to crop the gray stuff out of there, and then simply size this to fit. Get to where you're close, and drop it into place. That is it. Now the beauty of working in Procreate is, should I choose to work in Note Shelf, and let's go to February, week 2, I can simply add in the same sticker, because it's one photo. It's going to be the last one, and there I have the exact same image, and edit, take out some of this gray stuff, just like I did in Goodnotes, and I have the exact same layout now in Note Shelf. So I do like working in Procreate because it is so much easier to work with. My eraser does not erase what I made in Procreate. Back to Goodnotes, same thing. My eraser will not erase what I did in Procreate. There you have it. Thanks for watching.